Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's take a trip to the breadbasket parish of Jamaica, known as St. Elizabeth, and more specific to the Santa Cruz area. Here you will find this brand new 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, contemporary style home for sale. This contemporary design features clean lines and a modern aesthetic. It is an open concept with versatile living and dining space. The kitchen is thoughtfully designed with a walk-in pantry. There is also front and back outdoor spaces, plus abundance of natural light throughout. The lot size is approximately 6,884 square feet, and the floor space is 1,582 square feet. Call and book your appointment to view this beautiful house. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 38 million or US $246.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.